So today we are going to understand different terminologies of a circle. So let's take this as a circle. So here we have a circle, okay, and this is a center of the circle O. So a line starting from the center and touching the circumference of a circle, okay, is called as a radius. So here radius is OA. Okay, let's understand one more terminology, circumference. So what is a circumference? I'll name this point as A. Here it's B, C and D. So the entire length A, B, C, D and back to A is called as a circumference. Alright, so circumference is A, B, C, D, A. The entire perimeter of a circle is called as a circumference. So here when we saw radius, it is this point coming from the center and touching the circumference. Let's understand what diameter is. So we already know what a radius is. A radius is a point touching the circumference of a circle from the center. Alright, so if I take, okay, another radius from the same center O in this way, B. So here BA is the diameter. So a diameter is double the radius. So OA is the radius, OB is the radius, and this entire line AB is the diameter of a circle. So always it will be 2 times that of the radius. Alright, let's understand what a chord is. Alright, I'll draw one line touching the 2 points on the circumference of a circle. I'll name these points as X and Y. So XY is a chord. Alright, so now I'll take the same XY here in this circle. So XY is dividing the circle in 2 parts. One is with a smaller area, and this smaller area of XY is called as a minor segment. I'll take the same chord once again in another circle, XY, and this is again dividing the circle into 2 parts. So here there is a larger area that it is covering. Okay, so I'll name this point as Z. So the part X, Z, Y is the major segment because it is covering the larger area. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z or X, Z, Y, okay, is covering a major area and it is called as major segment of a circle. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.